everybody, and let's do a fast mobility and flexibility workout. So take your leg on top of knee, gently move your back to the floor, and from this position try to make your leg up and down, up and down. Breathe out. 3 and 4. After from this position, pull your knee with the hand by keeping leg on top of knee and push with the hand just forward. And now by keeping your leg with the hand, keep moving your leg up and stay positioned like that as longer as you can. Breathe.